This is our 2011 Chevy Avalanche LT. This vehicle only has 97,000 miles. This is a four-wheel drive truck. The Chevy Avalanche comes equipped with side-mounted airbags, rear airbags, anti-lock brakes, and traction control. The Avalanche has a 4 out of 5 overall Edmunds consumer review. This is an AutoCheck certified one-owner vehicle. The Avalanche has a 5.3-liter V8 engine that gets 21 miles per gallon highway and 15 miles per gallon city. There's plenty of tread left on these tires. The Avalanche has heated and memory seating. It has power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. It has power seats with gray leather interior. There's plenty of passenger room in the Avalanche, and as you can see, the interior is in perfect condition. There's a panoramic view of the front. The Avalanche has cruise control and Bluetooth capability. The entertainment system has AM/FM stereo and CD player. It also has climate control for extra comfort.